Good morning, students. Dear students, this is semester 2. Subject is mathematics. So I will take one topic from unit number 1. So that topic is linear differential equations. Topic name is linear differential equations of first order and first degree. This is our topic. Topic name is linear differential equations of first order and first degree. First of all, what is the form of the differential equation? So the form of the differential equation is an equation of the form is dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to, name is linear differential equations of first order and first degree. First order and first degree means only dy by dx. dy by dx is the first order and first derivative is first order. What is whole power? 1. So that is degree of the equation. So an equation of the form dy by dx. So this is first order and first degree. So dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. This is linear differential equation of the form. Next, how to solve this equation? So there are some more steps. So procedure to find the solution of linear differential equations. So what is the first step? Step 1. What is the step 1, Amma? First we write the values of p of x and q of x. So write the values of p of x and q of x. That means we identify what is p, what is q. Okay na? Next, step 2. So this is most important step. So step 2 is integrating factor. Simply we call it as IF. IF means integrating factor. Simply we write IF. IF means integrating factor. So what is the formula? E power integral p of x dx. I think everybody knows this formula. Integrating formula. What is the formula? E power integral p of x dx. Already we know the value of p na? So we substitute in this equation. Next, this is step 2. Next, step 3. What is step 3, Amma? Step 3, directly we write the solution. So the solution, directly we write the formula. What is the formula? Y into IF is equal to integral q of x IF dx plus c. This is very most important formula. So what is the solution? Y into, tell me, y into IF is equal to integral q of x into IF dx plus c. So we substitute IF value in this equation. After integration, we will get the solution. Okay na? So this is the procedure. Once again, so an equation of the form is dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. This is the form. Next, procedure. What is step 1? First, write the values of p of x and q of x. Next, immediately find the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor formula? IF is equal to e power integral p of x dx. Next, step 3. This is the final solution to find the solution of the equation. So the solution is y into IF is equal to integral q of x if dx plus c. Okay na? Now I am going to tell one problem from this topic. Okay na? First problem. X square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 4xy is equal to 1 by x square plus 1. 1 second. What is the problem? X square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 4xy is equal to 1 by x square plus 1. First, we convert into linear differential equation. This is most important problem. Okay, Namma? First, what is the linear differential equation of the form? dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So, no term in front of the dy by dx. But here, dy by dx with x square plus 1. So, for the linear differential equation, we divide x square plus 1 throughout the equation. What is the first step? Dividing. That means we convert into linear differential equation. So, dividing by x square plus 1 on both sides. That means here only x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 both are gets cancelled na? So we have only dy by dx plus here 4x by x square plus 1 into y. Here dividing by x square plus 1 na? Here one more x square plus 1. X square plus 1 into x square plus 1. X square plus 1 whole square. Okay, Amma? After dividing the x square plus 1, the equation will be dy by dx plus 4x by x square plus 1 into y is equal to 1 by x square plus 1. Now, which is of the form? Which is of the form? Which is of the form? dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Which is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So, from this equation, what is p of x? P of x value, Amma? Step 1. What is step 1? We write the p comma q values. What is the p of x values? P of x is equal to 1 second. Last bench, look at the board. P of x is, what is p of x value? Clearly, 4x divided by x square plus 1. Next, what is q of x value? 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. First, this is the step 1. That means we identify p of x value and q of x value. Next important step. What is the important step? Integrating factor. Now we will find the integrating factor. So integrating factor, simply we write if. What is if formula? E power integral p of x dx. This is the integrating factor formula. Now we substitute p of x value in this equation. So e power integral. What is the p of x value, Amma? 4x divided by x square plus 1 into dx. Now we solve the integration. So this is one simple model. So let us consider x square plus 1 is equal to t. Okay na? So x square plus 1 is equal to t. Now differentiate on both sides. What is the x square derivative? 2x. What is the 1 derivative? 0 into dx is equal to dt. Okay, Namma? Once again, x square derivative is 2x. 1 derivative is 0. Of dx is equal to t. Actually, t derivative is 1. 1 into dt na directly write dt. So this means 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay, Namma. Now we substitute in this equation. So e power, already we have 4 na. So this is 2 into tx dx. Is it okay? 4. 2 into 2 na. So 2 into 2x dx divided by x square plus 1 into dx. So this is 2 into, what is the 2x dx value? dt. By what is x square plus 1 value? t. Okay, Namma? Understood? So 2x dx value is dt. Denominator x square plus 1 value is t. So this is very simple na? Integral dt by dt. dt by t. What is the formula? Integral 1 by x dx formula. Integral 1 by x dx formula log x na. So this is the formula for 1 by dx na. So in the place of x, t. So e power integral dt by t is e power 2 into log t. Okay, Namma? 2 into e power log t. So this is e power log t square by the condition of logarithm. So this is e power log t square. So actually this is to the base e. So from the formula of e power integration, e power logarithm, so this will be, what is the value? Only t square. E power log e to the a is equal to 1a. This is the formula for exponential function of logarithm. So e power log t square is only t square. What is t value? T value is, this is x square plus 1. Okay, got it? Once again, what is the e power? What is the f formula? E power integral p of x dx. So e power integral 4x by x square plus 1 into dx. So this can be written as 2 into 2x dx by x square plus 1. So let us consider x square plus 1 is equal to t. What is the derivative of x square plus 1? 2x. 1 derivative is 0 into dx is equal to dt. So now we substitute these two values in this equation. So this is e power 2 into, what is the value, Amma? dt. dt by t. So e power 2 into, what is dt by t? Log t. So this will be e power, what is the value? E power log t square. So by the condition of exponential function of logarithms, this will be only t square. But what is the t value? X square plus 1 whole square. Okay, Namma? Got it? So this is the only integrating factor. Finally, we find out the solution. So next, solution of this equation. Solution. What is the formula? Solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q of x dx plus c. This is the formula for linear differential equation. Now substitute in this equation. Y into, what is if? X square plus 1 whole square is equal to, already we have the q value na. What is q value, ma? This is p value and this is q value na. What is q value? 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. This is q of x value. Sorry. Q of x into if dx plus c. That is the solution formula. What is if? If is x square plus 1 whole square dx plus c. So observe this equation. Both are gets cancelled na. x square plus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 both are gets cancelled. So y is equal to y into x square plus 1 whole square is equal to only we have dx plus c. So what is integral dx? What is the formula for integral dx? Only x. So simply we write x plus c. Y into x square plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus c. So this is the solution for linear differential equation. This is most important sum for the examination. Okay, now we are going to solve another problem. That is also most important problem. Y minus e power sin inverse x into dx by dy is equal to root of 1 minus x square is equal to 0. This is the most important problem. What is the problem, ma? Y minus e power sin inverse x into dx by dy is equal to root of 1 minus x square. But this is a clumsy, na? Y minus e power sin inverse x into dx by dy is plus root of 1 minus x square. So how to identify dy by dx form? How to identify linear equation? First of all, what we will do? First we will dx by dy term na first we multiply by dy by dx on both sides. So dx by dy into dy by dx both are gets cancelled na. So here only y minus e power sin inverse x plus here root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to here 0 into dy by dx na. So that will be 0. Now we write root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx as first. So 1 minus x square into dy by dx plus y minus e power sin inverse x is equal to 0. So here what is q of x value? From this equation q of x means only x terms. So this is only x terms na. So this is q of x. So we write into right side. So root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx plus y is equal to e power sin inverse x. Actually this is not linear equation. One more term is there. So now dividing by root of 1 minus x square on both sides. Then this is dy by, dividing by root of 1 minus x square. Both are gets cancelled na. Here only dy by dx plus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into y is equal to e power sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square, which is actual form of linear differential equation, which is linear differential equation. Now procedure. What is first step? We write the values of p of x and q of x. So equation, what is the form? Tell me, ma. Dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So from this equation, what is p of x value? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. What is q of x value? Q of x is equal to e power sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. This is the first step. So next, what is the second step? Integrating factor. Second step, if. What is the formula, ma? Integral p of x dx. e power integral p of x dx. Once again, e power integral p of x dx. So that means e power, what is p of x value, ma? 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. E power integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square and dx. What is the formula? Integral 1 by root of 1 minus x. This is simply e power sine inverse x formula. Sine inverse x formula. So this is integrating factor. Okay, Namma? Next, last and final solution. So next, last and final solution. What is the formula? Y into if is equal to integral q of x if dx plus c. Now we substitute all values, q value and if value. What is if value? E power sine inverse x. What is q value, ma? E power sine inverse x by 1 minus x square into if is, what is if, ma? E power sine inverse x dx plus c. E power sine inverse x by root of 1 minus x square into e power sine inverse x into dx plus c. Now we integrating the equation. We know one thing. The derivative of sine inverse x is, the derivative of sine inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the main important step, ma. So first sine inverse x is equal to t. Okay, na? We take sine inverse x is equal to t. Differentiate on both sides. What is the sine inverse x formula? 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. Clearly 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. So that means e power sine inverse x into e power sine inverse x, we write root of 1 minus x square into dx plus c. Is it okay? So e power sine inverse x, e power sine inverse x. What is the remaining term? 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx plus c. But what is sine inverse x value? T. So e power t into e power t. Okay, Namma? E power t into e power t. So this value will be dt. Dt plus c. What is e power t? E power t? E power 2t into dt. Now e power nx dx formula. E power nx by n. E power nx by n. So here what is n value? 2. So this is clearly e power 2t by 2 plus c. But what is t value finally? E power 2 into sine inverse x by 2 plus c. Now final solution is y into e power sine inverse x is equal to e power 2 into sine inverse x by 2 plus c. So this is the complete solution of linear differential equation. This is most important sum for the examination.